Hey guys, so today's video, as you guys can see, probably see from the beginning and probably the thumbnail, we got some stuff in the mail. The guys are all coming over today, so we can go ahead and show it all off. We got,
well, I guess Chris is in here now.
Nando's over here playing Battlefield. Jimmy was just here, but Brett's here playing.
Yes.
Not Brett, wrong white guy. Cade's here too.
Damn it, just forget about me like that, eh?
But yeah, guys, today got some merch. We're gonna reveal all this stuff once everybody gets here, because it's a giant group thing. So we're gonna see what everyone else says about these shirts. Okay, so we got everyone here now. We got Andre with his ugly haircut, bro. Don't talk about it.
Ugly ass.
We got Cade. Jimmy's back.
Yeah, what's up with the haircut?
And then the one and only.
You don't know me, but it's my first time being here.
All right, guys. So tell them why we are here right now.
Well, let's just show them.
You know what? Let's do it. Oh boy, yeah, it's clean.
It's time to put mine on.
Open!
Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Trash. Yo, those are nice, man. Came out good.
And I got custom ink stickers.
Oh, did we really?
Is this the one there?
I'll put that on my door.
I ordered a medium.
Stupid.
I got a large.
I think I got a medium too.
So what you think about these shirts, man?
Dude, it's dope, especially that shit on the back. Look, Brad, show him the back again real quick.
Damn, where'd that come from, bro?
This shit's hot, yo.
Hell yeah, guys.
Let's all wear ours.
So you're gonna see us repping these tonight? What else are we doing today?
We got something else in the mail, didn't we?
What else did we get in the mail? I think we did get something in the mail. What did we get in the
It was
mail?
like a little small box, wasn't it?
Was it a small box?
Yeah.
Oh man, what else did we get in the mail?
Did you order something or was it?
I didn't order anything.
Oh, is it for the Lancer?
Just Starbucks.
For the Lancer?
For the Lancer, GTS 2-pedal, no paddle, just no clutch.
Just no clutch.
Just
No transmission.
CVT transmission.
It's just empty, but it still works. It's a hybrid brake.
It's a hybrid.
No e-brake. But yeah, so we're gonna dish out these shirts real quick, and then let's see how everyone looks in the new threads, boys.
Get it.
Yeah. Hey Brett, throw it back there, bro. Oh my god! Oh my god!
You gotta do the whole.
Oh yeah.
Fucking take the time.
Oh my god! Damn, let me see the back, boy. Look at that.
So, what do you-
Straight
what do you-
stupid.
Stupid. The largest.
Hey, the fronts look really good too, though, bro.
They really do. Let me see that, Brett. Dang,
Just like
son.
What are the large for?
The whole texture with the windows. Oh, it's
Yeah.
really good, dude.
Mums? Yeah,
There we go.
the women's medium.
What are you doing, man?
What do you mean? What am I doing?
It's Brett. Hi, kid. Guys, Nando's in a different universe.
Channel 3.
What's channel 3?
Who has the do you have the
The original radio?
yeah.
No, none of us do.
Duty deck, duty off, the duty section.
Dude,
Channel 3.
What's your 4-digit?
6228.
Copy.
So we are at, well, me and Nando's old stopping grounds, because we used to live here. But we are on base, so we're gonna be working under some lights in the old parking garage of ours. But we're finally going to do it. We're gonna make this man's car louder. And also, Andre finally discovered launch control for his car.
Look at my damn though.
Adjust! Why do you know adjust? It's not showing. But yeah, his dam is high as hell right now. Hey, but give him a little sneak peek of that launch control, dog.
With the shitty dam.
There we go. Now it shows. There's Mom and Cade.
Oh,
Oh, he stalled! Ah!
You guys didn't see anything. You got that on video?
Yeah, dog.
Yeah.
Did you?
I got it on video. He stalled, loser. All right, guys. So, what's the update?
So we broke 3 bolts. We somehow disconnected the drive shaft. I don't know what happened, but it's on the floor right now.
Stop talking.
Wow. Wow. Okay. It's not what we do.
It's our favorite egg.
It's what we do.
You okay, Jim? All right, so tell the viewers. So what have we done so far?
Absolutely nothing. We just took off his strut bar and that's pretty much it. I'm kidding. No, we've pretty much just assembled the entire exhaust. But this one right here that comes to the downpipe is a bitch to get. So we're trying to do some real engineering thinking because we are really smart.
You put bad go-go juice in your car, and now it's all fucky wucky.
Let's take a look under the car, boys.
Yeah.
Good.
Jimmy, you're working with me.
So when I file the DB report, I can easy, right?
Yep. They stripped it now. It's gone. It's not there no more.
That's actually useful.
So we just hit a wall. Explain.
All right, so at the downpipe, there's it's in the engine bay, but it's also kind of underneath the car. And you have 2 bolts that are right here. We were able to get one off, but the actual the drive shaft's in the way, and then there's also the firewall for the car. So we're not able to. We can pop it on, but we don't have enough room to get the breaker bar to turn. It'll hit on either side because there's not enough play in it. So we're getting Rice to come here with an extension that's about yay long, and it's flexible, and then you can hook it to a drill or an impact wrench, and then you just get it right there, and you just torque it off, and it'll deliver enough torque to get it off. So you just click it in and bend it the way you need, and just and it'll just take it right off.
Okay, guys. So look who showed up.
Hey guys.
Yeah. All right.
So update. We stripped the bolt, but we got a little guest appearance down here.
Papa Rice. Hey, how we doing? It's Papa Rice. Hey, it's the sauce.
He managed to get the bolt off, so we're going back to work.
Pizza with pepperoni.
What the?
Anyways. All right. So here's where we're at now. We got 3 bolts out. We got another 3 to go. The top 3 are the easiest to get to. The other 3, not nearly as easy. We got to go through, take off the passenger side wheel. Then we have to go in, and one of the bolts we got to take off from the opposite side because it's just the nut, the stud's pulling in. And the last one is just as hard as the 4th one, just to get in there, because we got to go from either above or below, we don't know which way yet, and then we got to get one from that passenger wheel that we took out. So
We're gonna do this. We have faith. Hold this. We're gonna show these people what time it is.
Actually, best piece right here.
Oh my god, I hate you. All right, guys. It is. You can't really see it. It's 1:14 in the morning, and we are currently. Shut up. So we are currently still working on the car.
hey, you should probably take out that one bolt that you can't get.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
So what are we doing right now?
out.
We're putting the part back on. No, we're continue to go. Okay, good news. Brett, tell him.
It's finally off. Look at this piece of shit, bro. These 2 gentlemen know. If it wasn't for them, this shit wouldn't have been off.
I helped.
Rice.
And
Yimmy.
I got the first 3.
That's true.
Oh,
I never did half the work.
We're gonna finish this tonight, bro.
hey, we need to get our fallen comrade. Hang on, look. My poor man. My poor man.
You gave it your all.
Wait, Rice, come here. I have to do this for the views.
It's
Downpipe is on. No other pipe.
just downpipe, open dump is on. Nothing else. We'll see how loud this bitch is, bro.
Let's go. Cold start.
Doesn't start.
All the sensors go off.
Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Go. Alright guys, so it is 2:36 in the morning. They just got the what pipe did I don't even know what they did. What did they just get on right now? I don't even know.
Gaskets.
So we'll take a look down there.
The gasket.
It is 3:07 in the morning. And I think we did it. Did we do it? I think we did it. Ooh, look at that.
We did good today. We did good. Brett, so scared that this was gonna take longer than an hour. Weren't you? Did we prove you wrong?
man.
We proved you so wrong. Sorry about what?
Pump it up.
Hey guys.
What's the last one?
So we are. What time is it? Hey, time check. Someone give me a time check.
345.
3:45. And can you say that we're done now, Brett?
Finally, we are done. But it's done right.
Yeah. So we are done now.
It's not done right. We're missing 4 bolts. And that wheel's gonna fall off.
So we're done. We're gonna do the final light off on his car, and then go home and go to work. The camera quality.
You mean in an hour and a half?
Be like, so this side.
No, I mean Rod already plans on.
Oh yeah, guys. So this thing died. So here's my phone again.
Yeah.
All right, buddy. Do it. Moment of truth.
Alright, you guys, we finally made it. This shit's finally on. Downpipe's on, exhaust is on. Everyone did a great job today. Thanks for everybody. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Put a link down below for our next video. And yeah, stay tuned.